beyond comparing just spec for spec of your current phone versus your new phone, you've also got to look at a price. What if I can tell you that you can get your Galaxy S10e for $199? Or you can even get a free phone when you buy one of the other phones. People always look at their existing phone and saying, well, do I need to upgrade? Should I change it? Should I get the new phone? Especially if you just bought your phone recently, the Galaxy Note9 or the Galaxy S10 as an example. It's a new phone, great device. Is it worth upgrading? If that sounds like something that you can be into, let's check this out. Right, let's start off by heading to Samsung.com and we're going to select the pre-order. Now note, this is available as of February 21st, might not be available forever obviously. Let's select the Galaxy S10e to start off with, and then we're going to make it unlocked and we're going to choose a color. So click, 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 go down to the capacity. I'm going to choose the one it comes with. And here is the exclusive offer. This is where it all makes it worth it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. You're going to choose Samsung or whichever brand of phone you have. And you can see they even offer it $150 as far back as the Galaxy 6 Edge, for example. Obviously the newer phones are going to give you much more money. The important thing, it's got to be able to switch on, it's got to be able to work, and you're going to reset it. And then you're going to get the full amount. If you change one of these factors, obviously it changes it. This makes it not even eligible and not even eligible. So it's got to work, you've got to reset it, and then the amount varies depending on whether your screen is broken or cracked or not. Right, as you scroll further down, now as far as the terms and conditions are concerned, remember they do have a right to decline it. So if you said it was working without any cracks and it gets there and it's broken, they can decline it. Assuming all is cool, so we bought the SE, it's unlocked, and we're going to click on continue. Now they're going to try to sell you a whole bunch of other stuff. You can just skip over that, and you can kind of add this to your list as well. Samsung Premium Care, you can see which device is going to be unlocked on which network or activated on which network. You can skip that, and there we go. That is the price, $199. Now let's just say we want to select the Galaxy S10. We can do the same process again. It's going to be an unlocked phone. We're going to choose our color, leave it the same color. We're going to choose the capacity, and this time we've already got the trade-in value that's in here, and on top of which we're going to get free earbuds as well. So I've already going to get the 550 discount. Let me skip over the rest of these, skip over that too, skip over that, and now you can see I'm going to get my phone for $349. Not a bad price for a phone that started out at being $1,000. But now remember, you're also going to get the free buds, which are worth $130 as well as part of this package. So $349 is where we're at. But let's do this. Let's take $350 and let's take away, let's just say we can sell the earbuds for $65, which is half the price. Well, you're going to get a $1,000 phone for $285. Not bad. But wait, there are more deals to be unlocked. So let's choose the Galaxy S10. This time, let's choose Verizon as our service provider. They're going to get that phone first. Now, what we're going to do is it still includes the earbuds. So this is still part of that deal. You still get that. But look at this. You've got another option. Verizon's actually going to give you a free Samsung SE. And in fact, they don't give you the phone, but watch what they do. They give you $750 in phone credit, in bill credits. So you can actually get the Galaxy S10 Plus for $1,000. But because you're going to get the $750 in bill credit, well, that's going to reduce that price. Well, let's see who else is offering some deals. So I'm going to choose AT&T, and they too offer the earbuds, and they also offer the $750 and up to $999 on qualified devices as well. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's go back. Let's see if T-Mobile, what do they do? Yeah, currently nothing, only the trade-in. All right, Sprint, what do they do? Okay, Sprint has also got a deal. Seems to be pretty similar to the other ones. And let's do the last one, which is US Cellular. What kind of deals have they got? Well, currently there's nothing on the go with them either. Okay, most importantly, whichever deals you choose from, make sure that you understand the terms and conditions. Make sure you know what you're paying for. Okay, something interesting to note. Let's select one of the phones and one of the carriers. This time we want to redeem one of the deals. So we're going to select the phone, I'm going to select the color, And this time, have a look at the bottom where it says your trade-in is $550. Okay, you can see the most you're going to get out of any phone is $550, going down to $150 for the older phones. Now watch this. If I'm going to go redeem one of the offers, the one that gives you $750 in credit, for example, I'm going to select another phone so I get my free phone. But look at my trade-in value. That has dropped down to $300. The most I'm going to get out of any manufacturer is $300. See how you went from $550 to $300. So be very, very careful. Even when you go to the previous screen and you remove the deal, look, it still kept the amount at $300. Look at that, $300. Now, the only way to get that deal back is to refresh the screen. And when it reloads, go back and make sure you select the same options again. And this time, okay, I'll select everything. Right, you see it's back to $550. So it's beyond just comparing specs for specs. Sometimes there's lots of value in your bottom drawer, and when you look at the requirements, they just want to see that it's working, you're willing to reset it, and there's no cracks on the screen. So you could have an old phone that's actually sitting there not doing anything for you that you can use towards your Galaxy S10 range. And I think that is a great deal. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This is the kind of stuff that we do here. Hit the head below to subscribe. Check out some of these other cool videos down here, and I'll see you on the next episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy, because that's tech simple. Cheers for now.